We're going to Walmart to get groceries and some gift for Jackson's 8th birthday, which is on Monday the 13th. So I figured I would take you guys along. Woke up this morning and lost another pound, so I'm excited. So come along. Come, man. Come on.
You hear
I got a cart. Filled to the brim. Okay, Jackie, get to pick out new socks, dude. Ooh, they have Minecraft socks?
They got Minecraft socks.
We got him a pair of outfit for his birthday. And he's getting socks because he requested socks. And he requested his birthday dinner, which has something to do with that. Right?
You like those?
Those?
The size, make sure it's good for you.
That's the right size?
6, 7, large, 3 through 9.
3 to 9. What size are you? He's a 1. He's a size 1 in kids. Hey, you ain't getting that fuzzy thing. What is that fuzzy thing, girl? What is it?
Mommy, look.
What's that? Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, that is so pretty. How much is it?
$7.97.
How much?
$7.97.
You got money?
Only like $2.
Ooh, I have that one. That one right here. I have something similar.
This?
Yeah.
You had the black one.
Yeah. Ooh, I might have some cute stuff.
These. You had these.
Ooh, I like this. I like this.
The one.
Unicorn.
These wallets. I love these.
You like that one?
Because it's gray.
Ooh, that looks pretty. That's pretty.
Oh, you can put your phone in it. You can put your phone in it, see?
Yeah, you can.
Like,
Oh, let me see that one there, down there at the bottom.
this one?
No, yes. Yes, honey. Look at that.
I like this one because.
Come through the Walmart. Yes. I'm about to drop it, but yes, Walmart.
I love this one.
I like this.
Furry.
Put that down there.
Daddy.
You just into dropping your food? He changed his socks?
This is 3 to 9 too.
That's 3 to 9 too. No, it's
Okay, guys. Today's Sunday. Doing the girls' hair. We have a birthday party to go to. I need to clean my camera lens because it looks dirty. So I just want to hop on here and tell you guys good morning. So let's blow dry this one's hair. So we're gonna use this guy for heat protector. Let's do a little bit of light. Is that better? Okay, thank you. I forgot the section off here.
I am good at this and you are not, is what that means. Where you at? I'm gonna come bring you your prize.
Get that comb Maddie just had.
No, I don't want to comb through your hair. It's wet.
Do you think we have to take it over? Take it over, Obies. Take it over, Obies. Line it up. Go.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move.
So I
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back.
Let me see.
Some decent shirts.
All done. All blown out. All blown out.
Huh? Some
So
nice jeans.
and now I have to comb her hair. But first
Socks and
I need
hats.
some lunch because it's a little after 11. I need something to eat. So for the birthday gift, I got him 2 shirts. And then I had to get a birthday bag. These were 97 cents at Walmart. And it's really pretty. It's a pretty little bag for 97 cents. And then I got something for Rob and I to snack on. These smokehouse sausage sticks, hot and spicy recipe. And the nutrition on here, carbohydrate is only 1 gram for 2 links. And then the sugar is 1 gram. So this is a good snack for us. And we usually eat 3 sticks. So that's good. And then of course I have my water. And we're going to this birthday party. Hey guys. So we're finally in the truck and we are on our way to the birthday party. Did the girl's hair. I did Maddie, but I didn't show you guys Maddie's hair. She starts preschool tomorrow, so her hair is done and I don't have to worry about that because we're gonna be getting back a little late. Robbie's looking all nice in his Adidas outfit. He's gonna wear the brakes off this outfit. Yeah, y'all hear me? I'm gonna set up a GoFundMe for Rob. We're gonna get him an entire new different outfit. You hear me? The man is hooked. But what can I say? You know, I hooked him up. So we're on our way to the birthday party. I'm gonna edit what little bit of footage I have right now and give it to you guys. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry I didn't get a chance to vlog or do anything because it's just been hectic. It's just been really hectic, and I promise tomorrow will be a better day. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.